This is SY Sublime. Somehow my last video the phone died. But anyway, so I've got all 4 batteries connected up inside the battery bank one. I do have to put like a wooden shelf underneath these to make them all level, so this one's not an angle, this one's a bit of an angle, and I can add a little bit of spacing between each one, and I'll put some cardboard or something between them, just for chafing or rubbing against each other. Since I'm not going out to sea for a while until I get all this work done, this is the next one of the parts. So the next will be battery bank 2, which is over here, and I'll get the 4 batteries for over there as well. So we can get this done, pretty much done now. Anyway, so this is SY Sublime, fair winds, temperate seas, sandy toes and margaritas. Check it out.